and welcome. Today's bonus video, we're talking BoxyCharm sneak peek for October. Yes, I know we haven't even received our September boxes, but you guys, I've got some sneaky peekies for you guys, and I wanted to jump on here and talk about them with you guys. So before we jump into the video, if y'all are new here, hello. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine, and it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, and remember, it is only makeup. It's not that serious. So anyways, hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I upload all the time over here, as well as I put up a bunch of information over on Instagram, as well as a giveaway. So make sure you check me out over on Instagram as well. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into some of the spoilers we have for October. I know already. Okay guys, so if you are following me over here on our YouTube channel, you would know that I already posted this picture right here over in our community section. And you guys are amazing. I love the FBI skills that you guys have, where this one little picture right here, you guys were able to figure out the lid. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is why you guys are my people. So one of you guys said, do I see Dosa Colors? I'm like, yes girl, you do. So one of the sneak peek spoilers for October, okay, not September, but for October, is the Dosa Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. Now you guys know this is fairly new to my collection. I actually played around with it in a couple get ready with me's, and I really enjoy this concealer. It is a great full coverage without looking cakey kind of concealer. So it does have a retail value of 24 colors. You are going to be able to choose the shade that's right for you. If you guys are curious about what shade that I use currently, I use shade 18, which is medium tan. It has a neutral undertone. My best suggestion for you guys is, this is going to obviously be a choice type of item, so I would definitely go over to Dosa Colors website. I will leave it linked down below for you guys in my description box, so you can get an idea of what shade range is going to be good for you. Now I will tell you guys, for me personally, this does oxidize a little bit. It's fine as long as I have my sunless tanner on, but this is an amazing concealer. Very lightweight, very comfortable, but yet has a very beautiful natural looking full coverage to it. So a little information regarding this over on Dosa Colors website. Like I said, it is a $24 concealer. You're going to have a large range of choices as far as your shade goes. It says, meet your hue vegan and cruelty-free concealer. Our multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight and easy to blend formula. Conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. Available in 30 all-inclusive shades, 6 different complexion categories: fair, light, light medium, medium, tan, dark, and deep. Each category features 5 different concealer shades. You guys, like I said, go over to Dosa Colors website if you think this is the concealer you're going to want, and the range is really good as far as that goes. I feel like for me the neutral is very much a neutral undertone, which I really like. So this is a sneak peek that we are going to be seeing in our October box, and I think you guys are going to be really excited about that. Okay guys, so the next sneak peek that we see in this picture right here is by Tarte, and this is the Maracuja Miracle Mist. Now I know nothing about this, so I'm going to need you guys to fill me in the comment section if you tried it out and what your thoughts are on it. I'm over on Tarte's website, and if you're looking for more information on this particular item, I will definitely leave Tarte's website in my description box for you guys as well. It does have a retail value of $23. Okay, so a little information on what this setting spray does. It has an ultra fine continuous mist that instantly refreshes the skin. It also says that it's a weightless application, and it will make makeup waterproof for maximum wear. Like, oh, I want both of these items. I don't know about you guys, but I want this too. I mean, this sounds amazing. It does say that it's vegan, dermatologist tested, it's waterproof, sets makeup for up to 16 hours. It does have skin invigorating ingredients such as maracuja oil, which helps to deliver firmer, brighter, smoothing looking skin. Rose flower water, which helps maintain the pH balance and soothes skin. Cucumber fruit water, which soothes and helps maintain a healthy complexion. Papaya extract, which rejuvenates skin with brightening properties. I want this as well. Like I said, $23. I do not know if this is going to be one of the choice items off the top of my head or not. Okay guys, so the last item that we see in this picture with Joe is by Beauty Bakery. Now this is absolutely a beautiful, beautiful palette. It does have a retail value of $38. And I have not tried Beauty Bakery's eyeshadow formula before, but this is really pretty. And again, this is another one where I'm like, if this is a choice, can this also be an add-on? Because I want this too. But you know what? A lot of you guys told me in my Boxy pop-up unboxing haul that you guys made multiple orders as well. So you guys are definitely my people. So thank you for making me feel better and implementing the judgment-free zone that we continuously keep on in this channel, if that made any sense. So a little information, this is called the Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette by Beauty Bakery. Like I said, retail value $38. It says, I've got my days where I'd like to just simply be a comfy glam. I'm sure everybody can agree. Well, join me for a breakfast in bed with these super pigmented, muted neutral shades that only enhance our natural beauty. Yeah, I call them comfy glam. Shall we? Cashmere. A delightful blend of muted matte shimmery shimmers create a sun-kissed or wind-swept look. Give yourself the glow after breakfast in bed. Ooh, and the reviews on here are actually really, really good. Now, like I said, I've never tried Beauty Bakery eyeshadow formula before, but I'm totally down. We've seen Beauty Bakery items in our add-ons before, or maybe it was in the Boxy pop-up. So let me know if you tried out this Beauty Bakery palette or any of her eyeshadows, and what are your thoughts on that as well. Again, let me know your thoughts as far as the Dosa Colors concealer and the Tarte Maracuja spray go. I'm excited about all three of these products, guys. And like I said, this is October, and I'm just so excited to see what else we have in store. I mean, that's just 3 items. We still have more to learn about as far as October goes, and my gosh, there's still things for September. By the way, guys, check your emails. I did get an email notification that I am off the wait list for the BoxyLuxe. As you guys know, I did sign my daughters up for Boxycharm, so we will be unboxing Premium and BoxyLuxe over here, as well as if I receive it in PR, I will be unboxing it for you guys as well. Don't forget, like I said, I do have a giveaway going on over on Instagram, so make sure to be subscribed over here. Jump over to Instagram, follow me over there. I'm trying to build our following over on Instagram to get that 10K. I'm also over on TikTok if you guys want to follow me over there. And let me know down below your thoughts on these sneak peeks for October. What are you most excited about? Are you like me? Do you want all 3? Are you hoping that they are part of the add-ons? Which, by the way, important dates when it comes to our choices for October. If you are a Premium and a Luxe member or on the wait list, you're going to be able to jump in there and do early access to make your choices for the base box, as well as add-ons open up. Early access opens up on September 14th, where you can do some shopping, which I'm like, please let these things be add-ons, please. Anyways, I don't know if they are or not, but I'm really hoping they are. And then on September 15th, that is when it opens up for everybody. So if you have the base box, you're gonna wanna jump into your account. Don't worry, I always tell you guys that I post in our community section when everything has opened up as far as choice and add-on. And September 17th is our premium choice date. I don't know what our choices are going to be, but you guys know your girl's gonna be back here talking about it with you guys and giving you guys as much information that I can find on everything. So make sure to subscribe, stick around, turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to I don't know what my voice is doing. Did you hear that? It's like shimmy shaked. Okay, I'm gonna hop off for now. I need to go cook dinner, but stick around, subscribe, check me out over on Instagram, enter into that giveaway, and like I said, there will be some giveaways to come over here. Woo. Okay guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.